How to delete apps on iPhone. Let's get started. So, if you no longer use an app, deleting is a great way to free up storage. First of all, locate the app you want to delete on your home screen. Then tap and hold on the app and a menu will appear. Simply tap on Remove App, then tap on Delete App, and just like that, tap on Delete one more time to confirm your choice. That's it. The app will be removed from your device. If you don't see Delete App, don't worry, here's how you can fix it. Open up Settings. Inside here, scroll below, you can simply tap on Screen Time. Scroll below again, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure this button is turned on. Now tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Deleting Apps and make sure it is allowed. Now once that's done, head back to your home screen and long press on the app that you want to delete. Long press onto it. Then you will be able to find Remove App. Now you should see Delete App option again. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.